Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Nandito pa rin kami sa San Diego guys. Pero pauwi na kami today. And ayan, ready na. Nagre-ready na sila daddy. Ayan. Dito na rin yung luggage. Ayan. And pa-OOTD lang tayo ngayon. Very, very quick. Ayan, naka-ano lang ako. Ganyan. Malamig today guys. So, ganyan lang ako. Let's go! Ayan, ready na kami guys. Pero, nag-aantay pa kami kay daddy. Bumaba siya kasi wala siyang change pang bigay tip sa ano, sa housekeeping. So, bumaba siya sa sasakyanan kasi mayroon daw siya doong ano, $5 yata or change.
The right two lanes to turn right onto the I-5 North ramp, then merge onto I-5 North.
It's a windmill.
Yan yung mga food tour na iba-ibang klase.
Ganun ba?
I have
That's good.
a lots of status guns. I have everything. Say,
Sharp right onto South Harbor Drive.
cause I have everything.
Take the next right onto South Harbor Drive. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
It do kind of better.
Yung may kain ng malapit na para pag lunch. Anong oras na bago?
Dito kami ngayon guys sa Oceanside.
No, I don't want anybody touching this.
Ano pa palapit tayo doon?
So are we gonna remove our shoes?
Let's go. No? Ganda ng ano nilagay sa ng sand. Pwede ka pala
Wait,
dito
Mom, can we go to that rock place?
No.
Aww.
Nakasapatos papunta sa ano.
Ako yung sun dito, hindi ako lumusupot.
Ano siya kasi iba siya. Paano kami guys nakapustura papuntang dagat. Hindi, walang plano ba na pupunta talaga dito ba? So wala kaming ibang mapuntahan. Dito kami napunta. Sa Oceanside. Ang lalaki ng ano oh. Ang lalaki ng alon.
Blow up po yun.
Ay, hindi yan yung pier dad. Iba din yan.
Ha?
Iba yan.
Baka meron sa
Kasi yung pier dati may ano, may...
May sarili siguro ang cart ba? May sarili ang ano.
ang lalaki ng alon. Oh,
Ay,
nag... Ano?
Huh? Aww.
Ano dad? Do you wanna go back there to the car?
You lock the car, okay. Look at the boy, oh.
Look at the boy, he's just practicing na ko.
You wanna try it? Huh? You can go over there and go on the step.
Walang masyadong tao guys. Ah. The beach. Walking by the beach.
Eh, dami nga nakukuha, oh. Ay, yung ano, yung sarado, yung may laman ang kinukuha niya.
May laman talaga?
Aha, yung lulutuin mo na...
Mayroon talaga?
Ayun, dami nga lang. Ayun.
Hala. Hala, what?
Ayun, dati, oh. Ayun, look at the shoe, the close one, no? Parang...
Oo, Grabe, ano?
I got 4.
Knock, knock, no. No throwing.
The small one. The small
Oo, kuya.
one.
Kuya.
Oo.
Ninat yun. Ang lalaki doon, oh.
Yeah, literally, Happy. I got it.
Go now, go now. What is this? Oh, it's water. Hi.
It's not water.
Oh, don't do that.
It's water underground. Don't do it. Don't do it.
So, aalis na kami guys kasi ano 2 hours lang yata yung ano dito. Ay, baba! No! 2 hours lang yata yung parking namin dito. Nagbayad kami ng parking. Mura lang naman, $6 for 2 hours. Pero kailangan pa namin kumain. Maghanap kami ng makainan dito somewhere. And I don't know where we're going. Probably we're heading home. I think we're going home na after nito.
It's not moving.
Take the next
Those
right onto
are
North
dead.
Pacific Street.
May daan dito. Dito ang daan.
Dito ang daan.
Now go right.
Why? You know the direction?
Continue
I
on
have
North
my
Pacific Street
invisible
for half a
ender
mile.
compass that only Endermans can see, which I am. And I'm a creeper, which
So what?
Maghanap kami ng makain, guys.
south. East and then south?
May
What?
naglalakad.
That means going back. South.
Daming apartment dito ga, oh. Puro apartment ka, oh.
South is there.
Ang dami ng baby.
And
Ay, daming
now,
nagbibisikleta ga.
turn
Ulo pa,
left.
unahin mo yan sila.
Yeah.
Lahat.
Turn left. And
So, ayun. Punta si Daddy doon sa Sunshine Kitchen. It's a Japanese, Dad? Japanese food.
Asian fusion.
Okay, we want some food. Ano gusto mo, Nak? Ay, gusto niya siguro yung bake, ano, Dad ba?
Oh, yun na.
Salmon.
Yun na.
Akong sabaw.
So guys, we're here at the restaurant. Dad is ordering. Mom, say hi. Matthew, say hi.
Are you cold ba? You want me to get your sweater?
Matthew, say hi. Hi.
So, nandito kami sa restaurant, guys. Dito na kami kumain na kami dito kasi meron sila sa labas, oh. Tapos nandito kami sa dulo. So, okay lang.
Ganda ng ginawa nila sa lamin.
Okay.
Hoy! There's
for Kuya
mine.
Yo.
Nathan.
Stop it in the life of my table. Yeah.
So, ito yung sa akin, guys. Spicy miso soup.
And here's
Kay Kuya
mine.
is
Baked salmon.
baked salmon. Daddy is ramen. Ano yan? Tonkatsu. And Matthew, he loved that one, guys. Sabaw with
Miso
rice.
soup.
Miso soup with rice. He loved it. Mm. Yum. Sarap,
How
guys.
about me? Noodles?
Tama sa ganitong weather.
Only a little.
Ano kay Daddy? Spicy itong akin.
Oh.
Thank you.
It's not horrible.
tayo guys. So, hindi ko siya naubos.
Now I feel cold, but
Tingnan
we're
mo.
still gonna go.
Ayan o. Hindi naubos. Ang sarap.
Ah.
Sarap pa naman. Continue to play, okay?
Military ano.
Oh, we're so
Yan sila. Yan ang practice nila.
we don't talk anymore.
Yung halimbawa,
We don't talk anymore.
yung magbabarilan kunwari. Tama? Yan sa taas, oh, firing
We
range.
don't love anymore. Our
Lupa nila yan eh.
We don't talk anymore like we used to.
Pinakurat talaga nila, no?
Ayan guys, so yung daanan namin is binabaybay namin yung dagat. So doon na sa dagat na siya.